Here's Josh fixing his birthday gift. Oh, while he's fixing his birthday gift, I'm gonna open my gift for myself. Oh, so there it is. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. Four Schrader valves, and this. So it's for the bike. On off. He even gave us plugs. I think let's go work on this now. So the former owner put something like this here, and I think I'll just might as well put it here. I think it will fit like that, and then use his existing wiring. I don't know, it's not a good wiring, but it's just for a USB charger for the phone. Let's take this off, put a bigger hole, and this is going to be easy peasy. So this is what we have. I think the former owner also put something here. I don't know, switch or some sort for bike. Anyways, let's take this off and try to put as little damage as we can, as if we are saving something. Well, let's do it. Now to select the best position, because it's going to be like this. So let's try to put it this way. Positive to positive. Negative to negative. There. And let's close this. So we're done. So this goes here, and then I put a fuse in it. Of course, a negative goes to the negative, and that's it. So the light has different options. There's blue, red, and green, I think, and yellow. I don't know, but I'll put a link on the description. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.